Hi everyone, this is Srivinesh, and this is day 9 of me sharing my learnings and explaining things in English. So, as I'm preparing for a PL 300 exam, so today's topic is prepare data analysis for Power BI, and in that we have completed the first module. So, the second module is clean, transform, and load data in the Power BI. So, this is our second module, and the unit which we are going to see now is combine multiple data into a single table. Okay, let's go. So combining multiple tables to a single table. Why we have to combine multiple tables to a single table? Let me answer the question why. So the first reason is if we have too many data or too many tables in a data set, it will be very difficult to navigate to each table when doing the analysis, right? So we have to make them one, and it will be better in the further process. And if several tables has a similar role, it is better to combine all those. And if the table has only one or two columns, and it is no use, right? And yes, it is useful in some cases, and if you can join them or if you can append them, you can do as well. And yeah, this is the reason we have to uh, combine the tables, multiple tables into single table. So the basic concept is, if you don't want multiple tables, or if the table is really don't serve the needs of the analysis, you can combine them and you can have a single table, that is master table or master data. And let's see how. So in Power BI, if you want to combine two table, there is only two option. One is merging and another one is appending. So let's see in detail. So what is append queries? So it is like a union in SQL. So while perform, if you know about SQL, performing a union is like performing append in Power BI. So if in append commonly uh, see the your same columns, and so if in a first table and a second table should be have same columns, and it will be append in a row wise, so it will increase the data longer. So let me show an example. So here we have data set, and I have um, monthly sales report for a X company, and here it is January, February, and March. So we have 3 months of data separately in a different three tables. So now I want to combine all these in a single table. So before I am appending all those, I have to check the headings of all columns are in a same name, and also all the data types are in a same format. So for January, this date is okay, and all other things are okay. And for February, all other things are okay. And March, the date is correct, and yeah, all the things are correct. If suppose one table has a five columns, and another table has four columns, still it will append but throw some error. So let's check that. So I'm removing this, and I want to combine January and February. Now I'm trying to navigate to append queries. Yeah, in the home tab, you can go to the right corner and you can append queries. Append query as new. So if you click append queries, it will merge the another data to existing table. And if you if you click append query as new, it will both table will be appended in another table. So basically, I want to create a separate table. So now I want to combine two tables, and sales January and sales February I want to combine. Yeah. So it is appended, but in the January we have deleted the column, right? So it is append. It is still appended and thrown as null. Okay. So this is the simple use case. Now we can delete this, and I can undo this step. So here we have four columns, and here we have February we have four columns, and in the March also we have four columns. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine all those three tables to a single table, and I'm going to use the table as master table, and I'm going to remove all the other tables. Okay, so I want to go to append queries and append as new, and I have to merge that is append more than three table, so that is three table. So I'm already have the January. So in the available tables, you have to add to the tables to append, and I have to add February. Sorry, there is an error, and I have to add March. Yeah, so I have applied 3 months to a single table. So while clicking OK, yeah, it will give me the master data. So now I don't want these three tables because I have every data in the single table, right? So I'm going to delete all this. It is showing this table is got reference from January. So what can we do? So we can duplicate this and can delete this. Okay, so in the right, so yes, uh, yes, we cannot delete, but we can cancel the load. So if we can cancel the load, it will not load to the Power BI. So it will be like this, and if you're trying to delete this, you can't delete actually. So because it is these tables are referenced from the giving reference to the append query. So what we can do is we can right click this and uncheck the enable load. So if you do like this, when you are going to the Power BI, it will not load this data. It will load only the master data. Yeah. All right. So that's it for append queries. And one more thing I have to say is, so when you have a monthly sales report or monthly sales data, you can append query is one of the most beneficial way to join the tables. Yeah. Now let's see the another method. So another method is merge queries. So what is merge query? Merge query is like performing a joins in SQL. It will not add rows. Instead, it will add columns. It will widen the tables. So based on a common column. Okay. So if you want to perform the merging option, you should have at least one common column. That's it. Let's go to Power BI and check it. So I have two data here, and I have customer data and the orders they made. And in this case, I want to combine these both. So I have so that I can see the joined view of customers and their orders. So this is the simple concept here. So I have to click the customer, and I have to go same as append query. I have to click merge as new query, and my first table is customer and my second table is order. That is here, it is order, and the similar column between both is customer ID. And there is an option too. In the join kind, you can click left outer. So left outer means it will take only the everything from the left table and matching column from the matching rows from the right table. And if you click right outer, it will take everything from the right column, so that is the right table, and only matching to the only matching rows in the left tables will be performed, will be uh, joined in the this method. And if you click full outer, it will take every data from both table. And if you click inner join, it will give only you the matching table from the both tables. So if the customer ID from both table matches and the data from each should match. So if it is in present in both table, it will show that in the inner method. And in left anti, it will ignore the data from. So it will only give the data from the right table. It will not include the matching data from the left table, and that is and in the right anti, it is very opposite to the left anti table, left anti join method. So um, so I think I did not explain this clearly. And if you want to uh, know more about this, you can go to YouTube and search about the joins in Power BI. So now, for now, I want inner join, and after getting the done symbol, I'm clicking OK, and you will get a new table, and in that you have like this. In orders, you have some tables, and you have to click the double arrow mark, and you have to uncheck the use original column as name as prefix. So if you not do this, let's see what happens. So the table name is before the column name. So orders dot order ID. So it will be a bit confusing for some users. So it is not good practice when you are expanding this table. You can uncheck this original column name as prefix and click OK. So if you do like this for customer C1, and there is a customer ID, order ID, and everything will be present in the based on the join based on join and based on the common columns. So after that, if you are and the customer, you can see both. This table has two customer ID, and you can remove one of them if you don't need, and if you want, you can keep it. So that's it. Yeah, that's it for match, and also that's it for today's video as well. And if you are an expert watching my video and finding any mistakes, please let me know in the comment section, and I'm open to learn from everyone. Thank you.